morning, how's everyone doing? Hope you're having a great day. I just thought I'd post a video today. I came across this guy the other night riding a Kawasaki, an ER6F I think it was. And I don't know, we just ended up going mental on them. Now, before you start commenting on it and complaining and saying God knows what you usually say in my videos, that I deserve to die and I'm gonna die and my family is gonna miss me and whatnot, well, before you do all that, my advice is ride slow, take it easy, don't do what I do, don't be stupid. You only get one life. Don't get yourself in trouble, man. Hope I'm not gonna crash into this guy. Anyway, got my mate with me again. Just gonna stop and take a picture of that. Sweet. Yeah, thanks for watching. Thanks for subscribing. Don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe button, and I'll catch you later on. Yeah, man. Peace.